Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So lately I have been working on some new designs for my first ever shop launch, but yeah, I'm not getting anywhere. I needed to get out of that rabbit hole, and that's when I thought to make this Totoro clay calendar that I've been wanting to make for a while and film it and share it with you guys. Also, high time I use up this Jovi clay that's been lying around for ages. Honestly, I've never used this tool yet. The sharp tools and my fingernails were leaving this imprint, as you can see, so I smoothened it out with a wet q-tip. I wasn't really satisfied with the angles of my shot, so I tried this DIY tripod hack, and I'm not gonna lie, it's so perfect. Why didn't I do this before? I was enjoying some instant noodles, and guess what happened? I took my dad's phone, and obviously, I'm not gonna move around too much. I'm gonna be really careful with it. For sanding, I like to use this nail file and sandpaper for parts which are harder to reach. It's good to wear a mask so you don't inhale those particles. These are the mini vases from my last video, and this is how they look like after they are glazed. For the body, I mixed in white, black and a little bit of blue to get that cool tone. I definitely went a little overboard on the sanding of the dice pieces, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Considering all the chaos along the way, if you had fun watching me struggle, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and do drop a comment of your favorite Studio Ghibli character. I might just make them next.